Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get gold blocks in Blockman Go gaming app. It's a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Next, here you can find the option of gold bar, something like this. Now tap onto the plus sign button right next to it. And finally, from here you can add the gold blocks in your account. To add the gold blocks, you need to buy the blocks according to the given options. There are many options, you can choose one to buy it. And that's it. This is how you're gonna get the gold blocks in Blockman Go gaming app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? Now don't miss any chance to buy the block golds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.